Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jayla, also known as J Chanelli on the internet, so that's where you can follow me. I'm coming to you guys with a video on Colourpop's all new No Filter foundation. I was super excited for this launch because I absolutely love Colourpop. I'm going to try to make this as much of a Colourpop face as possible. I've already done my eyes and I did use some Colourpop goodies, so make sure you check the description box for that. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all. Just go ahead and subscribe just so I know that you're here and you like the content I'm providing y'all. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. And of course, don't forget to like this video. All right, let's get into it. This is the Colourpop No Filter foundation. I did pick up the color 165, and I'm just gonna go ahead and walk through like the way that I picked out my color match. The thing that helped me the most is going directly to Colourpop's website, and the tool that was actually most helpful for me was the Find Your Shade tool. They also have a MAC by Brand tool, which unfortunately didn't work for me only because they didn't have my specific shade in the foundations that they were referencing, but that's totally fine. We're going to the Find Your Shade tool. It says find your shade, select your shade. I will be classified as dark, and my undertone is neutral. So once I clicked my shade, which is dark, and my undertone, which is neutral, it selected dark 165. It says this is a neutral foundation with golden olive undertones for dark skin tones. And that is the foundation that I did pick up. So just so you know, this is what the foundation looks like. And this is my dark 165. The foundation claims to be oil-free, full coverage, and it says it was formulated with soft blurring pigments to give you a long-wearing natural matte finish. No filter needed. Okay, I never go without a filter, so we're gonna see how this works. I did already prep my face with some primer. I used my FENTY Pro Filter primer, I believe it's called. I use my FENTY primer just because that's my go-to primer. I trust that primer, and we're gonna see how this works with it. So that is one pump, and that is 2 pumps. So we're using 2 pumps of foundation so far. And we're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Okay, as I always do, once I finish with a brush, I'm gonna go ahead with the trusty dusty beauty blender. And mine is dusty, that's why I said dusty. So this is what one coat of the Colourpop No Filter foundation looks like. I am going to go in with a second coat just for the sake of the video so we can see if we can build it up. But as far as coverage goes, I don't know if y'all can see. Before I put on the foundation, I don't know if y'all can tell, I have a little hyperpigmentation here and here. And I think it did a wonderful job of covering it up. But we are gonna add a second layer just, you know, for my girls who like to cake it on. All right, so we've completed 2 layers of the foundation. I think it looks really great. We definitely got more coverage, so it's definitely buildable. I think my skin looks super healthy. It looks hydrated. I think it's a great color match. I definitely have the coverage. So I'm super happy with this foundation, y'all. I definitely would give it a try. If you can find your shade and you can find your undertone, definitely give it a try. I know some of my friends are a little skeptical only because you have to order Colourpop online, so it's really scary like picking your shade out online. But I will say that the Find Your Shade tool was pretty spot on for me, like dead on. So if anyone needs a reference, if you're about my color or my shade, definitely 165 will work for you, especially if you're a neutral girl. All right, so we've applied a flawless base. Now it's time to highlight and contour, of course. I will be going in with the Colourpop No Filter concealers. I've owned these since the launch and I am in love with them. I am going to highlight and contour with the colors Medium Dark 32, which is going to be my highlight shade. It's a little too light, so I'm going to tone it down with the color Dark 40. And then I'm going to contour and chisel this face with the color Deep Dark 54. So I feel like everybody kind of knows how to highlight and contour, so I'm not really going to talk through this part. But we are looking to see how well the concealers perform with the foundation because they're part of the same line. I mean, they're both no filter, so we got to see if they work together. Set my face with some powders. I did not pick up the powders in the No Filter collection only because I was super excited about the foundation. I really want to try the foundation out, but I definitely will be picking them up because so far these other products are bomb. So let me go ahead and set this face and then we'll come back for let's come back for lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, finish the rest of my face.
8 hours later.
Okay, I'm back with almost a full face. The last thing we have to do are the lips. I did want to feature Colourpop's new Ultra Glossy Lips. I picked up 3 of them. They launched like 16 new shades, but these are the ones that I was most excited about, so this is what I picked up. I got Champagne Mommy, of course, Double Agent, and also Fantasia. These are the colors. Trying to get some really different colors. First of all, I can tell y'all that they smell amazing. They smell very vanilla-y. The closest thing I can compare it to is like the NYX Butter Glosses, like that smell. This is what this smells like. I absolutely love the fact that they have a scent. I love when my lip glosses have scents. So I definitely will be picking up more of these. Which one do y'all think we should wear today? I think Fantasia. I think Fantasia is speaking to me. We're gonna go in Fantasia. So Colourpop does have brand new applicator brushes. This is a brush rather than the doe foot applicators that they previously had. I did own a lip gloss with the doe foot applicator, and I can say that I love this 1,000 times more. You pick up way more product. It allows you to get that juicy lip look. And I am going to zoom in so y'all can see how much product you can get with one application, and this is completely different from the doe foot applicator. Ooh. Now, I am not a lip model in the slightest, but here we go. Let me try to make my lips look, you know, sultry. Okay, so shout out to all of those makeup gurus who do like lip videos because that was hard and I couldn't do it. Here you guys have it. This is my Colourpop face featuring the No Filter Foundation and the color Dark 165. We also went ahead and used the Colourpop No Filter concealers in the color 32, 40, and 54. And finally, we finished it off with the new Ultra Glossy Lips in Fantasia. I really hope you guys like this video. I was super excited to use these products just because Colourpop has to be one of my favorite makeup brands of all time. I think there's a lot that goes into why I love Colourpop so much, but one of the things is they were founded in 2014. 2014, I was a sophomore in college, and that was really my introduction into makeup, like the makeup world. I didn't wear makeup in high school at all, and I just kind of found, you know, a passion for makeup in college. I was buying all drugstore products. I was buying all affordable products, and I can remember my first Colourpop purchases were ultra matte lips, and I can tell y'all when I got those ultra matte lips, y'all couldn't tell me nothing. I have a video on my channel of me like swatching them, and I look a hot mess. My eyebrows were atrocious, but that was just me learning makeup for the first time, and Colourpop definitely helped me and grew with me along in my journey. And look at them now, like 4 years later, They have over 1 million followers on Instagram. They're one of the most popping brands out there. Now they have freaking foundations. So shout out to Colourpop. Congrats to you guys. Congrats to your team. So that's why I'm so excited to bring you guys this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. I tried to switch it up for you. Let me know if y'all like this look. I'm giving y'all boho chic or whatever. This is my sister hat, but it's okay. She's in LA living her best life, and I'm at home because I have an exam tomorrow. Yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. And I already said don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out. Y'all, I'll be doing all this and then my camera wanna act up. Sorry, my weave itching. I gotta take this off in a second. We're gonna give y'all a hair tutorial. Y'all wondering why she got this wig on? It's because I'm gonna give y'all a hair tutorial in a second, girl.